Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salted vegetables ham choy salad. Start by washing greens thoroughly and salting them to draw out moisture for 15 to 30 minutes. Rinse lightly and squeeze until damp, not dry. Prepare a simple dressing of 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 tsp sugar, and 1 tsp toasted sesame oil. Toss greens with dressing, add toasted sesame seeds, and serve chilled or after salting. Lightly rinse and squeeze the ham choy until it is damp but not dripping, which keeps crispness and reduces excess salt. Chop into bite-sized pieces and set aside. Whisk together 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 tsp sugar, 1 tsp sesame oil, and a pinch of chili flakes for a balanced dressing. Toss greens gently so leaves remain intact, then taste and adjust salt or vinegar as needed. Finish with texture and flavor contrasts like toasted sesame seeds, thinly sliced scallions, or crushed peanuts for crunch. For a brighter salad, add 1 tsp fresh lime juice or 1 tablespoon rice vinegar before serving. If you prefer protein, fold in shredded cooked chicken or canned tuna for a quick boost. Serve the salad chilled or at room temperature, and enjoy as a side dish or light main with steamed rice or noodles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.